In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table in PDF Exchange Editor. Now, unfortunately, as of right now, there's no table tool inside PDF Exchange Editor. However, there's a nice workaround I'm going to show you right now. So instead of having to basically create one using rectangles, lines, and stuff like that, you can just open up, for example, Word or Excel or whatever, where you can basically create tables, and you want to just basically select the table and copy it by Ctrl-C or right-click and copy, and then you can just basically go ahead and open up PDF Exchange Editor again, and you can right click anywhere, and then here where it says paste, you want to paste this as meta file here, so click on that, and as you can see, it's actually going to paste in a table. Now you can resize that, you can do whatever you want with it, and then here you can of course go, for example, to the text tool, add text, and you can just start by adding text in here like that. You can make a text box and just type in whatever you want, and you can fill out your table that way. So that's a nice little alternative over there. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.